We present this exceptional 5-bedroom villa in Javea, Alicante, offered at €3,200,000. The property is located in the prestigious La Corona urbanisation, where homes of this calibre rarely come to market. This comprehensive renovation project will transform the classic Spanish villa to current standards while preserving its authentic character. The main living level features a very spacious living dining room with a modern open kitchen, including a large cooking island. The master bedroom suite with ensuite bathroom is conveniently located on the pool level, alongside a guest toilet. The lower floor accommodates 3 additional bedrooms, served by 2 bathrooms. The top floor offers a 5th bedroom with ensuite bathroom, complemented by an outdoor kitchen and outdoor bathroom. The property commands spectacular Mediterranean sea views from all 3 floors. The villa sits just moments from Javea Port and Beach, in one of the area's most sought-after locations. With 200 square metres of terrace space across all levels, the southern orientation ensures all-day sun exposure. The 800 square metre plot includes a swimming pool and carport at street level. Buyers have the opportunity to customise finishes and selections according to their personal preferences during the renovation process. To summarise, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 320 square metres of living space on an 800 square metre plot in an exceptional location. Contact us today for viewings and complete information.